Hi guys, welcome to the workshop. This one's based on this old Bedford truck I found covered with snow in a quiet corner of Glenorchy.
Hi, I'm Richard Robinson. I'm from New Zealand, hence the funny accent. And in this lesson today I'm going to show you
how to pre-mix a warm and cool grey to help you paint faster, how to make a warm spotlit centre of interest, and I'll take you step by step through the whole painting right down to the little details. So by the end of the lesson you'll know a lot more about painting snow and classic old trucks like this one. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world.
I suspect that if you've watched this video all the way to this point, then you're probably going to enjoy the lesson. So let's get started.